In the year 2020, the national pandemic changed our lives and shaped our world in a different way. This includes how we educate our children. Isn't the goal to provide educational options and personalized learning for all students? Can we propose an option that perhaps you never thought about? First, let me ask you some important questions. As a school, are you constantly looking to build or maintain student enrollment? Is your school constantly looking for additional funding each year? Is your school searching for options to educate students who prefer to learn at home? Would your school like to save money purchasing online curriculum programs? And what about a program that provides certified live online teachers? Harmony Educational Services bridges the gap between home and school. That's right, we provide harmony in today's educational world. We can help you build enrollment, increase your funding, purchase curriculum, create diversity, and provide teachers, all with the flexibility from a student's home. Sounds interesting? Here are some frequently asked questions. How does funding work? In every state, each student receives funding for educational purposes. Harmony takes a percentage of these state funds to perform services and to pass on educational resources to the students. The school receives the remainder of the funding for its part of the partnership. What can the school district funding be used for? Keep in mind that the extra funding going to your school can be used in any way that the school would like to use it. How does this affect teacher retention in our school district? While Harmony does provide teachers, we also work with your existing school to utilize your own teachers if needed. What resources do you offer for SPED students? We can help all students, including students with specific needs, through our Harmony program. To get even more information, please click the link below. After all, intelligent people make intelligent decisions once they get the facts. Let's all create more harmony within our educational world. Standards inform, experiences transform.